South Christian now stands as a new building on a new campus, but to be a living academy, pulsing with the Spirit of God and effectively sculpting young minds, it needs as well students who are eager to explore God's creation, develop their gifts, listen to God's call, and care for each other. It needs teachers who know their vocation to be holy and find joy in it. It needs administrators, staff who provide guidance, support, maintenance, and a spirit of hospitality that makes the whole campus a rewarding place to work and to study. Board members who are generous of their time and interest in exercising patient, thoughtful, wise oversight. And it needs parents, alumni, friends of South Christian who find the school a great place to visit, to revisit, to love, and to invest themselves. And over everything, for South Christian to be that living academy within these new facilities, it needs the continuing prayers of every one of us. When I think of South Christian, I think of gratitude in action, the very kind Peter had in mind, a vigorous gratitude to God that gave rise to a vision some 70 years ago, and which, beautifully blessed of God, has become the reality we now dedicate to Him today. Thanks be to God over and over again.